Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to stake crypto on Coinbase. So first open Coinbase. Now there's only a few cryptocurrencies that support staking and the most popular one being Ethereum. So just type in Ethereum. Once you've opened it, just scroll down and tap on where you see buy Ethereum to stake. And since my country doesn't support buying in Coinbase, this is an example of what you should be seeing. So now enter the amount of crypto you want to buy and make sure you tap on this trade icon so you will get it in actual coins and not dollars. After you tap preview buy, it will show you this where you just tap buy now. Then it should say your order was submitted. Then once you tap view account, you'll see here that Coinbase automatically starts staking your crypto. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing to support the channel.